This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Payment, but still, that's like nothing. It's cheap. Then I bought all the Oakleys. But I was making money too. Things were good back then. Oh, it's on recording. I got it on recording.
Jesus Christ.
Both Ryan and Wes failed out of college. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, calm down, Haley. Hi, we just passed the McCaslin or East Flatiron Crossing Drive by a Ford station on I-36. On 136, yeah.
Or someone steals a mail check. Oh! Jesus!
I'ma introduce you to my team. We jump out game, we quit the hop like quit the shit drop with Jack in the box, we niggas. One by one, we knock. You better keep that fight. Like fuck a 5 years, 24. Public to flip a gold and there was nothing. I'm a
我要去海啊！
不要再下去啦，你不想？哎呀！
这。
Strength and agility. And then there's the British. I want this bastard punished in such a way that no person will ever rise up against the British.
Oh, I want to watch it, darling. I want to see him bleed.
And so you shall.
The Brits are portrayed a little more on the subhuman.
Or giving back. Or maybe it's something about your home or where you live. I don't care, whatever it is, all I want you to do is think about how you want to grow yourself this year and write it down. Now the second sphere is your relationship.
A little bit ago, and the issue came up about the cost of a particular bridge or of a road, and the fact that the paving may be bad, there may be problems with the paving, but that could be.
It's just amazing that when you get the actual performance data from the structure itself, and you've used a good analogy there, the skeletal system, if you will, is a lot stronger than the visual inspection would indicate. You know, the folks that do the visuals might look and say, well, there's a lot of rust and corrosion, and we've lost some strength, and yeah, that does happen.
I know.
Gosh. Haha, well, did you see me do that?
Yeah, good
Look.
work.
Estimated checkpoint account terms, rules and procedures apply. Players must be 18 or over.
The first choice new deserted holiday sale is now on. Upgrade from half board to all-inclusive from only £25 per day. Plus, there are thousands.
Holy shit.
It's not just one thing, it's a lot of things. Part 2, I was able to drive a 981 K
Manual
GTS
recording
manual.
will now start.
It's something I want very much. Are there any drawbacks or issues? I mean,
the drawback of any Cayman or Boxster is that a lot of the maintenance items you really...
It's not that you can't do them yourself, but the stuff is inaccessible without being able to, you know...
See that in sequels generally, like it's... Anyway, yeah, you're gonna have to wait. Okay, Garmin, save video.
You know, I turned on my signal lights.
Okay? I don't care if they won 2-0. I need a victory, nothing else matters. Yes, they played like a they played a half-speed game against backup. And, I'm sorry we didn't get the 35-point victory, at Charlie Kickstop.
Look what you're doing, man. Idiot, man.
said Kel grimly. Or killing them in the process, added Isra. Thinning the pack, weeding out resistance.
Are you serious?
Any wards?
Dude, what? You gotta have seen that, right? You're not gonna stop him for that? Dude. Like, what the hell? What's this guy doing? What? You're not gonna get him? What? Dude! Are you kidding me right now? Yes! Yes! Get him! Yes! Hell yeah!